Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your scalp is clean and pain-free. This reduces sensitivity and infection risk. Once done, section hair into narrow strips 1/2 to 1 inch wide and position the extension base at the root. Attach each clip with a gentle snap rather than forcing it closed. You want grip without pinching. Make sure the clip sits flat against the scalp and the teeth engage hair, not skin. If you feel pressure, reopen and reposition, slightly higher or lower, to spread tension evenly. Once clips are attached, check how the weight feels when you move. This tells you whether redistribution is needed. Shift some hair to cover the weft and, if necessary, add an extra clip to share the load so each clip bears less weight. Make small adjustments to the clip hinge. Bending it outward a millimeter or two reduces clamp force while still holding. Also try silicone-lined clips or thin fabric pads under the clips to cushion contact points and prevent soreness during the day. You finish by testing comfort through normal movement and styling. Walk around, tilt your head, and massage the roots gently to detect hot spots. If a clip becomes painful, immediately open and reposition it slightly farther from the root or redistribute tension across adjacent clips. For mild irritation, apply a cool compress or an over-the-counter anti-inflammatory topical as directed, but if pain continues or numbness appears, remove the extensions and see a professional to avoid scalp damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.